Hello, my name is Brandon Poundstone, and today I'll be presenting on my six-word story. To begin, I would like to start off with a quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Cultivate the habit of being grateful for every good thing that comes to you and to give thanks continuously. And because all things have contributed to your advancement, you should include all things in your gratitude. So the word I base my story off of is grateful. Grateful means feeling or showing an appreciation of kindness or being thankful. So why be grateful? On this slide, I have a picture of a plate of peas and carrots. To everybody else, it may just seem just as that, a simple plate of peas and carrots. But to me, it's much more. It reminds me of my youth. I hated peas and carrots growing up, but yet my parents would force me to sit at the table and finish them every single time they were on my plate. I would throw a fit and sit at the table for hours at a time. My mom once said, though, someday you'll learn to be grateful. And I didn't realize the impact of that statement until later on in life. There's many people in this world that would love the opportunity to have these peas and carrots, but just can't. But yet, because I have these every single day, or have some sort of food every single day, I'm not grateful for them, as I should be. This is often true with a lot of things in the world. For example, this forest. Forests are a beautiful thing in our nature, but often taken for granted, just as many other things such as the peas and carrots or the opportunities we see in our life. Nothing is truly appreciated until it's gone. Once something's gone, then we realize how we should have been grateful for it and how we wish we still had it in our life. So what motivates me to be grateful? This is my cousin Logan. Logan has lysencephaly, which allows him not to speak, and he can't walk, and can't do anything normal kids his age would do. He relies on his mom to care for him and can't get around by himself. And I can only imagine how much he wishes he had the opportunities that I have had. The opportunity to play football or go to school and earn a degree or just run around like a normal kid his age would. This is what motivates me. Every time that I have an issue in my life that I don't want to do something, if I don't want to go to a practice, I don't want to do a homework assignment, I always think back and think, what would Logan do to have this opportunity, and why am I not being grateful for it? So this has led me to my six-word story, which is be grateful before it's all gone. Thank you. My name is Brandon Poundstone, and I appreciate you listening.